Today we're going to talk about the importance of writing down your daily trading plan. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. Good day, traders. I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Winding down a beautiful sunny day in Perth. Today we're talking about the importance of having your daily trading plan written down. Now we talk about, writing your trading plan down, having your goals, putting things in writing, but the importance of writing things down every day, having your daily levels defined, having an approach written down in the markets is critical, I believe. I've talked to a couple of traders the last few days. One of the biggest things that I've emphasized to them is to write down a plan each and every day before you go into the market. The reason why that's important is that I think that number one, on the weekends, like it's a Saturday here in Perth, I just spent 3 hours this morning going through all my charts, doing screenshots, adding to my playbook, writing my levels down for next week, writing down a couple of scenarios for each currency pair. And I think that's really important to understand that when you get into the live charts, I go down to the hourly charts, but it's always based on weekly and daily levels. It's really critical that when you get into live time, you don't lose sight of your original trade plan and your best A-trade playbook setups. Because once you get into live time, you can see erratic, volatile movements that you may not have thought would occur, which often in most cases do occur. I think that it's really important that you always have something to bring you back to your focus when you're neutral in the market. So you don't have a position in the market, you don't have any pre-market bias, but when you're on the live charts, you might be skimming through, you might think you see something and then lose sight of the bigger picture and get sucked into a trade that potentially may not work out in your favor. So I think you should write down a couple of scenarios for each of your currency pairs that you're trading, come back to your best A-trade setups, look at how that may play out, but have some things to anchor you back and keep you focused. We talk about this in the 7-step daily routine for high-performance traders: journaling your trades, learning from your mistakes, setting goals each and every week, and having the daily process that will keep you grounded and moving in a direction of constant progress. But when you write things down, number one, visually it goes into your brain. Kinesthetically, you process that through writing it and verbalizing it to yourself. But also, I think that it's critical that during live time, you can anchor yourself back to a couple of key points to bring you back to making sure that you're not being distracted by price action. So here comes my son. He's coming back from hockey practice. He's going to jump in the car in a second. But just to emphasize that when you write things down, that helps to keep you oriented. When you lose focus, when you're looking through charts, you're looking through price action, you're going to draw levels on whatever, intraday time levels, whatever. But I think it's really important when you've got your bigger time frame levels defined, and you've got, that, if this happens, then that scenario written in your trading plan, that you can then, you got some things happening, volatility, boom, you go back to your levels. Okay, I said I would sell here, or I would buy here, or I would look for buying and selling at these levels. These are the critical levels. They're the ones that give me the asymmetrical risk-reward opportunities. If I buy here, I'm buying in potentially maybe into a supply zone or whatever that scenario may be. But I think it's critical that you have some anchor words, some levels, and also some screenshots maybe, or some playbook. If you don't have your playbook at your desk, I encourage you to print one out and have it handy there for yourself to leaf through and remind yourself to stick to the best A-trade setups. And again, we talk about this in the 7-step daily routine for high-performance traders. If you haven't done so, download it. Make sure you are working on your daily routine. That is the most important, I think, part of you moving in a direction of constant progress and really honing in and building your edge, but also just inching yourself forward and moving towards the goals that you want to create in your trading. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Write your goals and objectives down every single day before you go into the market, before you're ready to set up. Have that just written down in some simple couple of paragraphs, whatever your goals are for the day, your levels, stick to them, set some goals, make sure that, like we talked about, setting some 30-day goals, stick to one thing, master that, move in a direction of constant progress. If you build one thing better every single 30-day for the next 12 months, in 12 months, in 1 year, where's your trading going to be? There's been some massive moves in the markets, and they're going to continue. They're always going to be there. The question is, if you can master your skill set and keep getting better, that's, luck is the meaning of preparation and opportunity. And when the opportunity comes, are you going to be prepared to execute, implement, and follow your trading process to extract the most out of your winning trades? So have a great weekend, traders. Stay disciplined, stay focused, keep getting better, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.